Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the canvas size in Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.canva.com in the search bar, and once you search that, it will simply take you to the Canva login page. Then simply put in your login credentials there and simply open up the design that you would like to resize the canvas size. So for example, I'd like to resize the canvas size for this presentation, and from here you have to just simply click on the resize option from here, then click on the customer size, then here in the units choose the pixel or the preferable units that you would like to say. So currently it is 1920 by 1080, so I would like to change it to the 1000 and by 1000 from here, and if you just replace the 8 with 1000 here you can see, and then just simply click on the resize this design, and it will take a couple of seconds to make changes to all the pages. But please keep note that the resize version is resizing feature is only for the Canva Pro, so you must have to purchase the Canva Pro to use this feature of resizing. And here you can see that the canvas size is already changed. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.